guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see what are pivot tables. So how can we use pivot tables. So before going to practical example, what is pivot table? It is a summarized table which is used to analyze data and help in data processing. It is a statistical tool by which we can get sum, count, average, etc., and which we will see in the video what different type of analysis we can do and why pivot table or how they are different from normal tables. Like they are flexible, they have means you can change the data as per your requirement, and the summarized data is shown. So it's a summarized table and that will be very useful while making a presentation. For that you don't require any complex formula to be learned. Like you can just by pivot table you can merge 2 3 formulas. Let's see the practical example of pivot table. So this is my data. This data runs around 10,000 rows. So for getting the pivot table option, we first you have to be within the table. There are two methods of getting the pivot table. First is going direct by going to insert, then pivot table. Like you will get the dialog box, or either you can use the shortcut key Alt N V. So this create pivot table dialog box will appear. Now this says choose the data that you want to analyze. So select table or range. So my table, as I have put the cursor within the table, so the whole table is selected automatically by default. Then now you can choose where you want to want the new pivot table to be placed. So you want a new separate worksheet or within existing worksheet. So I'll just select the existing worksheet and then go to location and give the location here near to my this table. Okay, and then I do okay. So you can see the pivot table 2 it's blank, and you can see the pivot table field dialog box. I'll just maximize it. These are the areas which are used for being the pivot table. So first is filter. This is main filter. According to this, your this three areas will change. So we'll see that. Then a column is like your data will be coming in this column. Your data will be shown as row wise, and this data will be shown as column wise. So you can and the value whatever, like you want some sales, gross sales figure, net sales figure, commission figure, then you can use that. So first I'll just put the sales representative and rows and the sales made by them. Gross sales only I'm taking, made by them during the year. Okay, now you can see the data appeared, and I need to do formatting over here. So all the it has been sorted. Now this is Alan Romos. So all the sales made by him is this. And if you want to see the details of it, then you can just double click on this. A new sheet has appeared in which all the data, all the line items which got added according to this it belongs to Alien Romos. So you can see the total is 1594131, and the same is being reflected over here. So you can use this you can just double click on whatever data you want to check further. So you can just double click on the data and you will be on directed to a separate sheet containing the details, and select product in place of this product. So you can see, one second, just I'll drag it here. You can see, so the various type of product and the sale means whatever product is sold by him, like Aspen, so a Bellin, Carlota, then these are various type of products, and you can check the sum also. Okay, now I'll just do it. Yeah. So You can see 159 and this is the bifurcation product wise of the sale made by the representative. So this will be giving you, and in case now I here when I am just showing you, now you don't want this formatting, because if you want it for presentation, then you will surely require this in good format. So I'll just select all the figures, then I can go to field value settings, then here number formatting. Okay, here in the format cell dialog box appeared. Now I want number. Okay, and in case I want currency also to be added, so as to be very precise, then I can do this decimal place. I write 0 and I'll do it. Okay, okay. So you can see the number are having currency sign now of rupees. Now in case I just want to change, I'll just select it. I'll remove this. I remove this. I want to see how much sales is made by the representative. I want the count. Okay. So I'll just drag that in my value. So I can buy this. I can see number of the times he has done the transaction of sales. So this is 10,000. We have seen our data was also 10,000. Now you can select it by removing everything. I remove one time. I'll select product also. Once you can see the count of product, how much product this is sold. So this will give you the count of the product sold, and I can use region also. That will show the number of times the count of region, how much sale in number of sale transactions has been made in this region. So I whenever I come out of that pivot table, the this pivot field is get not coming. Sometimes like here I have just closed it, so it's not appearing. Now if you want that table again to be coming, so you have to go and you have to be first for activating the pivot table tools. You have to be within the table, so that pivot table tools you can see analyze and design, they can appear. Then you have to go to analyze, and then at the end of the show you have to select field list. So again this field list will appear, where you can just select your data as per your requirement. I can change the name also as per my requirement. Second, number of transactions, sale transaction, sale transaction. So it can be changed. And something else also, I can go to value field settings, then I can select average of sales, maximum sales, minimum product. So I'll go to there, then I'll just remove this. I'll insert net sales over here. Okay, now formatting you can just directly do also from here like normal, or you can just go by that the other method which I have. Now in case I want a region to be added now, right, region. Okay, so I just drag the region upward, and then so according to region you can see the sales representative, the data has been bifurcated. I don't want this layout, so I'll go to design, then I change the report layout. You can see show in tabular form, so the data has been shown. Now you are seeing this plus and minus, like plus. If you don't want these buttons, then you can go to analyze, then plus minus. So it has you can see the difference. If I select it, the minus and plus option, minus option is coming, button is coming, and if I deselect it, then you can see that's gone. You can't do it. Okay, so this in this way you can present this data, like east, how many sales representatives are there, and what is the net sales. In here if I want the count also, I can just drag the sales representative over here and add behind this. So count also is being reflected against their sales name. Okay, so that depends on your requirement, how you want to use it. To show you filters, I'll just drop the product here, filter. So now you will see a row has been added. Now product, you will select here multiple items. So I'll just basically, if I want to check for one product S pen, then I can select it and you can see the data has been changed. So this filter works on entire data. So this is like the top in hierarchy, and after the and if you change this, the all the data in column row values will change. So this depend upon your showing like this. If you remember, I have told you earlier the slicer function also in if you look up video. So if you want slicer also, I'll go to insert, then if you remember, then the slicer. So here also I can use slicer like product, you can see product. Okay, the slicer is also coming. So this function and this, they are working very same. You can see if I've selected balun here, the you can see the balun was automatically taken here. I'll select S pin, then it will change. So the function of slicer or the that filter is almost the same. It depends now where what you prefer over using a. So I'll just removing the slicer over here. This was just an example to show you the slicers can be also used as filters, and deleting it. Okay. I want to show in design. I'm not showing you. Like I want row headers. You see the east bold east gone. If I select it, east is bold. Okay, and if I deselect it, east is unbolded. That's, so if I want banded rows for this depends on your presentation. What you want to see, or banded columns. Like I remove this, then only you will see. Okay, so you can see over here, check over here. Now you are seeing that the subtotal is also coming. So okay, is subtotal is coming. I don't want subtotal. To subtotal and select do not show subtotals. So all the subtotals will be removed. And grand total, if I one second, I'll just go down. Where's grand total is there. So this is for that. If I want to off it, then I can do it. Off. Don't want grand total, it's okay. You can remove it. And if you want it, then you can again go to design, then grand totals and on it. Okay, so you will be getting that. If I go back, I'm currently using the tabular form. If I want compact, then you can see the four columns which were coming separately, now that has been merged. Now in compact, this was that. In a show outline form, you can see again the thing has changed. It has moved to some separate next column was here. What difference was, there will be a line. you, you see east, there's no data, and when you select tabulars data, the it moved to upwards, like directly coming. Repeat all item labels like east 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 if you want to repeat, and if you don't want, then you can do not repeat. So it will be, it is all on you how you want to show the layout, want to insert after each item like this. Each blank rows also remove, I can remove it if I want. So these were the very useful layout features. What do you want, you can use. Now if you want to change the color also, you can do it. And there are many here, by selecting there are many different types of layout designs. Like if I choose this, then this, or I can change it to some other color also, orange. That depends on my choice. I'll prefer green, so I'll just go with it. So in now, in case you want some percentage also, I showed you count. In case you want percentage also, I'll select whole. Okay, and just do a right click and then go to show value as percentage of grand total. You can see the percentage of sale made by them, net sales made by them. In this video, I think we have covered almost many things here. Like we have seen the how to get pivot table option. Then we have understood the table, how to create that table. Then how to shuffle among the various like filter rows, columns value. You can choose that. How can you add multiple we have seen the layout also by how to use pivot table tools. So yes, analyze, sorry, this buttons also headers. I if I select field headers, I haven't selected them, then they are gone, but I want it, so I can again select it. So we have seen almost all the things from start to basic. So will help you in getting the work done within seconds. Private tables are very time saving approach, and this was whole video about pivot tables. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Stay tuned for watching that videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.